Hey everyone, welcome to the Wood Gasifier Builders Workshop. I'm Steve. So I've been doing this now for about 8 years, conducting hands-on workshops to teach people how to build a good quality wood gasifier. I've been selling do-it-yourself build kits and even offering full complete builds for people. We've helped a lot of people over the years get access to a high-quality wood gasifier, and I'm very pleased with the work that I've been able to do. This last year, we're trying to move away from me doing the actual builds and focus on the workshops and the kits. And I've been focusing on trying to build what I'm calling our Wood Gasifier Builders Network. Basically independent builders around the country, even abroad, of people that want to build this wood gasifier for others, teach people, and kind of pay it forward, doing the same kind of thing that we're doing for other people. Somebody that might buy a do-it-yourself kit from me, but they may not have the time, skill, tools or to put it together, they could go to one of the wood gasifier builders to have them assemble the kit for them. So I've been doing a lot of training on new builders to do this so that we can refer people to that. And then one of the other things I've been doing over the last year is I wanted to consolidate all the things that we've done over the last 8 years in this workshop, and I wanted to put it down in our own book. So I'm pleased to announce today that finally we've released our own Wood Gasifier Builders Workshop book. This basically is a compilation of everything that I've been doing here for the last 8 years. It covers everything that we teach in the Wood Gasifier Builders workshops. It covers everything that we include in the do-it-yourself build kits. And it covers everything that you need for a step-by-step complete build of one of our V3 wood gasifiers. I'm very pleased with this book. It's got a lot of information in it. It's a high-quality book. It's a high-quality color print, 80-pound gloss pages. It's over 310 pages, has about 250 images in it. It's basically got a step-by-step everything that you're going to need, starting from a history on wood gasification, goes through the history of how I got into wood gas, my first build, how I got into doing the workshop, how I got into doing the training, the build kits, and the processes that we've developed over the years for enhancements and enhancing the build process. So it's got everything that you're going to need. It's got 2D, 3D CAD drawings. It's got detailed assembly drawings. It's got list of materials, supplies, parts, tools, everything that you're going to need to build this gasifier. Not only to build it, but to operate it and maintain it as well. It's got a section on frequently asked questions during the build, tips and tricks. It's got information about fuel considerations, wood chunks, charcoal preparation, engine interface. Basically everything that you need, everything that I do in this workshop is covered in this book. So it's an excellent reference, whether you've already built one or you're in the process, you're using one of our kits. This is an excellent resource for you. So go ahead and take a look at that. I want to thank everybody that's given me some really positive feedback along the way in our activities here, and I hope that you will enjoy having this book, and I hope that you will take this book and basically take it where I left off and continue it to improve and basically spread the word on the wonderful resource we call wood gas. All right, thanks again, guys. At the end of this, there's going to be some links of where you can buy the book. You can email me or you can access any of the links. Thanks again, guys.